How to make money online fast in today's digital world. Making money online has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time income, or just some extra cash, the internet offers countless opportunities. But the key is to find methods that work fast. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best and quickest ways to make money online, categorized based on skills, resources, and effort levels. 1. Freelancing. Get paid for your skills, or freelancing, is one of the fastest ways to earn online because you get paid for services you already know how to do. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour allow you to offer services such as video editing, graphic design, content writing, digital marketing, programming, virtual assistants. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you can create a profile and start applying for jobs. The fastest way to get gigs is by offering microservices such as YouTube thumbnails, short video edits, or social media posts. Pro tip: optimize your profile with relevancy, keywords, and create an attractive gig title to stand out. 2. Selling digital products. Earn passive income. Digital products are great because you only create them once and sell them repeatedly. Some profitable digital products include ebooks, finance guides, self-help books, etc. Canva templates, Instagram templates, presentation slides, planners, Notion templates, online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. If you are skilled in any area, create a simple guide or template and list it for sale. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip allow you to sell digital products instantly. Pro tip: use free tools like Canva to design attractive ebooks and templates. 3. Print on demand. Sell without inventory. Print on demand. POD allows you to sell custom design products without managing inventory. Simply upload your designs on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Printify. Connected with Etsy or Shopify. Products such as t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases can be customized and sold without upfront costs. Once a customer places an order, the platform handles printing and shipping. Pro tip: use AI-generated designs or tools like Canva and Midjourney to create unique artwork. 4. Flipping items for profit. If you enjoy buying and selling, online flipping can generate fast profits. Here's how: find undervalued products in local markets, thrift stores, or on AliExpress. List them for resale on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. Sell domain names by purchasing expired domains and reselling them on GoDaddy auctions. Pro tip: look for trending products and sell them at a higher price for quick cash. 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission from promotions. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products and earn commissions per sale. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore, 24 Impact. The fastest way to earn from affiliate marketing is by promoting trending products through YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos. Pro tip: create content around viral topics and include affiliate links in your descriptions. 6. YouTube automation. Monetize without showing your face. YouTube offers multiple ways to earn, and automation channels allow you to create content without showing your face. You can use AI voiceovers from 11 Labs, Murph AI stock footage from Pexels, Pixabay, video editing tools, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. Monetize your channel through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Pro tip: focus on high CPM niches like finance, tech, and self-improvement. 7. Dropshipping. Sell without holding stock. Dropshipping involves selling trending products online. Without keeping inventory, you can set up a Shopify store and source products from AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Spocket. Use TikTok Organic to test viral products without running ads. Set up automated order fulfillment so suppliers ship directly to customers. Pro tip: sell products that solve a real problem, e.g., portable blenders, posture correctors. Fourth, crypto trading. Stocks, fast but risky if you understand trading. You can earn quickly from crypto futures trading on Binance stock. Market scalping, P2P trading. Buy low, sell high. These methods require knowledge, but they offer some of the fastest returns if done correctly. Pro tip: learn technical analysis before risking real money. 9. Get paid for small tasks. If you need quick cash, try sites that pay for small tasks. User testing. Get paid $10 per 20-minute test for reviewing websites, apps. Swagbucks earned by watching videos, taking surveys, and playing games. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Get paid for small online tasks. Pro tip: use multiple platforms at once to maximize earnings. 10. Online tutoring. Teach and earn. If you're good at a subject, you can tutor students online through Chegg Tutors, Wyzant, Preply, Cambly. For English tutoring, teaching can be a highly profitable side. Hustle with instant payouts. And pro tip: specialize in high-demand subjects like math, English, or business. There are countless ways to make money online fast, whether you have skills or not. If you want instant income, try freelancing, print on demand, or affiliate marketing. If you're looking for long-term passive income, YouTube automation and digital products are the best. The key is to take action and stay consistent. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.